Now, the main theme, the product, and basically dictates what stocks do. Kind of like a woman in marriage, they dictate what a man can do, or so I've heard. I'm still single. Is crude oil, and crude oil is ripping higher today. So this is the stock. This is the market that is dictating what stocks do, and this is just not good for stocks, for the economy, because the whole thesis, the whole idea of a recession, of stagflation, of a weakening economy, of inflation just ripping higher and taking hold of the economy. All those narratives come into play when you have crude oil ripping higher like the way it is right now. And this is just a huge move. I mean, yesterday we were trading, at one point yesterday we were trading below $97 a barrel. So we were above the key 100 level, the psychological 100 level. And it was like, okay, that's what we need. We're getting there. We're getting there. Hopefully, this is a first step in getting back into the 80s and maybe, into the 70s and ending this war and going on with our lives. Everything changed last night. Everything changed last night. Hold on. Crude oil kind of got below $97 a barrel, was pushing towards $96 a barrel, and it kind of bounced around, found a new central value area right around $99 a barrel. And that completely changed last night when new news came out, when Trump had his speech, his address to the nation. And since then, as you can see here, crude oil has just been ripping higher. Every single little dip has been bought. So this is not good. And we are just off the highs with crude oil. So this tape action is not good for stocks. And as crude oil has ripped higher, we then look at the S&Ps. We are about 2 minutes away from the opening bell. Stocks are bouncing a little bit here. That's actually a very positive sign. We're getting a little bit of a bounce here. We see some green bars on the charts. And so that basically shows that buyers are coming into the market. Not just that the prices are getting the prices are upticking, but when I have green bars, it means that the volume is increasing as the price is rising, which shows that large buyers are coming into a market or a stock. So we're seeing these light green bars on my charts. That shows the buyers are coming in at these levels. So that's a very positive sign. Now, we had some buyers come in earlier this morning, right around 2 o'clock Eastern time. And then the sellers came back in probably around 4:30, 5 o'clock, and pushed the NASDAQ down. Same on the S&P. We got some buyers, but the sellers came back in. So as we go into the opening bell, we're seeing some buyers come in to the S&P futures and the NASDAQ futures. That's a good sign. We'll see how this action continues at the opening bell.